Hello there, my name is Punit and I'm a member of the product management team here at Roadpost. Today I'd like to show you how you can create groups within the new GeoPro portal and what characteristics and dynamics you can build within those groups. So what you can see right here is the landing page after you've successfully logged into the service. To create a group, first you have to click on the admin button. This admin button will be available to all users that have the appropriate administrative license. From there, you can select Groups, and you'll see a list of all groups that are associated with your tenant. If you want to add a new group, click on Add a Group at the very bottom page. You have two pretty simple options here. One, you can select the tenant in which you want this group to exist. So we'll select Roadpost Development Tenant, and then we can actually select a group name. Once you select Add Group, it'll exist in your master list of groups. And then you can actually go in and click on this cog to start editing some of the information. So what you see here is the name of the group and use public map. So essentially this means if I was a user associated with this group and use public maps was turned on, I could see all the other devices within this group. So we'll title this map Test 1. Time zone will be Eastern. And the history, we'll say last N messages. History refers to the ability of all the users when they're logging into their individual portals, how far back they can see. And you can define the history in a few different ways. How many N messages, and referring to the number of messages that have been sent that can be seen within their portal. Last N days, how many days back will the portal reach and retrieve that data for those users. From date to now, and from date to date. So you can actually box in a specific time whereby these users can see information of their own device but also of others. So we'll say N devices and we'll say the last 100. We can say update and view map. This view will show us nothing right now because there are no devices associated with this group. Now if we were to go back to the groups page, which we have an option right here, we can then select the devices that we want to include within this group. So right now we have the group name and we have the list of all devices currently available to us. This list will consist of all the devices that you've currently provisioned and activated on the service, and then you can simply click on the devices that you want to be added to this specific group. After I'm done selecting my devices that I want to send to this group, I simply scroll down and I click Update Group. Before I do that, I can actually select all the devices if I feel that's appropriate, or select none if I want to erase my selections. But I'm happy with my selections, so I'm going to update this group. And now, this test group has a public map, which is what you'll see as a highlighted Earth icon here, and it also has devices associated. At any time I can go back, I can delete this group, I can edit the devices that are within this group, and I can actually edit the parameters that I set regarding the public map and the parameters of the messages, time, or locations of these devices, and what's reported from these devices at what time. I hope this was helpful. Please refer to our other videos regarding GeoPro if you have any other questions regarding the different features here. And again, thank you for your time, and I hope you have a good day.